Alrighty, what is up YouTube? Back with another unboxing video. We've got a package just came in. So let's see what we have here, guys. Okay, so we've got it says the do not accept if seal is broken. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Excuse me. Here we have actually let's do that. So here in this booklet thingy we got stickers, we've got the template to mount for the mount, installation guide, quick start guide. Let's put those off to the side for now. So here, these are the two antennas. Comes in this package, and here they are right here, the two antennas. Okay, put that off to the side for now. Now in the package, as you can see right there, we have, this is our power plug-in for the power right here. Let's see, this is the extension for the power cord, Ethernet cable, down the bottom there's, okay, so there's a screwdriver and the fasteners to attach a camera to wherever you're going to mount it. These are, okay, so these look like covers, and there's a rubber gasket right there to waterproof the cable. That's what that is. Let's go ahead and pull. Oops. So we've got the mounting bracket. Got the mount. And here's the camera. Put that off to the side. So here we have the camera right here. I'm going to peel this off. And as you can see, there's the bottom. That's where the SD card goes. That's where the mount goes. Looks like a speaker right here underneath. There's some kind of, not sure what that is. L. Left. Oh, okay, there we go. So it's a left and a right. Seems like some type of an indicator. And okay, so there's a mount right here. So you could, I guess you could put the mount either on top or at the bottom. Okay, and of course those are the two lenses. And there's some sort of a sensor right there. So yeah, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, look into the instructions in this camera, and let's see if we can get it installed, get it going, and I'll be back in a little while. Okay. Hey guys, so here's the camera. It's all hooked up outside. Just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys where it's mounted. So kind of disappointed with this camera, guys, and I'm going to tell you guys right here in 2 seconds. All right, guys, so hey, I'm back. So I'm kind of disappointed with this camera right here because one of the cameras on it isn't working. So the right side camera is at night, it's dark. I can't see anything out of it, only on the left side. So I contacted the website, the customer service people for Reolink on their website, and they told me to update the firmware, which I tried, and that was unsuccessful. So I'm guessing that I'm gonna have to maybe send this one back, and have them send me out another one. I know this isn't like something that's common, because the videos I've watched on YouTube and the research I've done, I've never came across anything like this. So maybe it's just my luck. So don't take this video as a one of those videos that say, hey, don't go out and buy it because it's got problems. This is just what happened to me in this case. This is my first one of these cameras here. So when the other one arrives, I'll see if there's the same problem, then we can make a decision then. But as of right now, I'm not saying anything bad about it. I'm just saying this specific camera right here is defective. Okay, so yeah, guys. But other than that, it's not bad. Everything else works great on it. The app works. Not a problem with it, except for the lens, the camera on the right side that doesn't work at night, especially at night. During the day, it's kind of blurry, but at night, it's just like completely dark. So, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.